Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as the universe on Dress to Impress. So I just have this custom makeup on for the Earth, and for the rest, I'm just going to use this outfit. Obviously, you can make it like better than mine. I'm just going to make it like a galaxy, I guess. But obviously, you're just going to want to layer more stuff on your outfit. I think I'm gonna do like a silk so it's darker, like that. Maybe I'll do some gloves too here. Okay. Then for the universe part, you're going to get the apple, and you can either make this like the moon or something else. I'm just going to make this one the moon. I'll use this pattern, maybe add some silk to it for reflection. It's like rotten to the core. Then I'm going to use this one as a sun. I know they're not very close, but it's a game, you know? I'm gonna use this pattern and maybe orange, but like a little bit red, like this color. Then for the other planet, I'm going to be using the pumpkin. I don't know where I'm putting that yet. If that's not enough space, I'll just figure it out later. Unfortunately, we cannot add patterns to it, so I'm just going to make this the color of like, I don't know, a planet, and I'm going to add in like a foil effect. Then if you want to use the headless pose, I'm not sure how it works with the pumpkin though, but as you can see, you'll look like the earth. And that's pretty much it really. That's how you can become the solar system on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I forgot to mention that you can use these for like stars if you'd like to, but it kind of covers like the face. Well, yeah, so it's up to you if you want to use these stars or not, but I'm not going to. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!